or a Brother Innovis 2600. Yeah, this machine, for some reason, it's not doing the embroidery pattern. So I think what's happening, that something might be sticky in here. So I'm just going to check out and see that it's all working. I'll give it a slight service just to make sure nothing is sticking. Yeah, so let's have a look. You see, so to open this one, there's a screw on this side. Just now do that. Turn around. Undo the screw over here. Little screws in there. So this cover just comes off. And once you've undone the screw on this side and that little cover, then all of this will just comes off like that. You can just pull that away. Just going to put that out of the way. And there's a couple of screws holding it. So you're just going to make sure you get the right ones out. Take those out. Yeah. Oops, sorry. You don't take those out. They actually hold the frame, so you can be careful which ones you take out. So I'm just going to tighten that. Otherwise, you have to realign the machine. So I'm going to take these out. Yeah, you don't want to touch those two. Just check quickly. I can never remember which one because they're all different. So I can't remember if you have to take these two out. Oh, I'll just check quickly. Oh, yeah. So these are metal screws that go into the mill, so you don't need to undo those two. So I'm just going to put that back. Okay. And then, okay, yeah, then you just got to flip it around. I think that's all the screws holding it. Move the slider to the right. And then this will just pull out like that. Okay. So we've cleaned that. So you'll see there's quite a bit of grime. Sometimes this, like over a period of time, this lubrication can get a bit sticky. So you can just clean up the blackness. And the other thing that I've noticed on these shafts over here, it can, like over a period of time, they just get a bit dark. So you can just clean it off maybe a little bit. So there's a couple of oiling points. Oops, you don't want to put in too much oil because otherwise you're just going to create a mess. We don't want to do that. Let's put that out of the way. Yeah. Just gonna move that out of the way. You just always got to be quite careful when you push this because you don't want to damage your belt, your tension belts. And yeah, so on the other side of the shaft, you can just put a slight drop of oil just in there. And on this arm, that moves to the left and the right, just in there and there. Yeah, you don't want to put more than that. Yeah, it's quite funny. This embroidery hook was jumping, and I can actually feel there's a slight something is there's a roughness in it, and I'm not sure why that's happening. I can feel it just there. It's almost like one of the gears are slightly damaged. You can feel just there. I don't know if you can hear it. It's almost like it's got a bit of dirt. So it might be worthwhile just to check out this gear on this side if I'm getting in there. Just to clean that out. I've got a weird feeling that something is like maybe some dirt or something got caught in this gear, so I'm just brushing it all out. Yeah, obviously you don't want to use a lot of oil on this. So on a plastic gears, I just use a bit of silicone spray um, just to clean it out and just to lubricate it instead of using oil, because oil will get so messy. Yeah, there's a slight roughness, and I can feel it, but I'm not sure where the damage is coming, where it's coming from. Just put just a little drop in there. Probably going to do the same on this side. It's almost like something is rubbing on this. Just can't see where it's rubbing. I'm just going to find that. Just get a little bit in there. So that's all good. Shouldn't be any issues there. So you can hear that's running all smoothly. But on this one, there's like a slight nick just there, and I'm not sure why that's happening. So I've got to find where that's. Why that's rubbing. Hopefully the stepper motor or something is not damaged. So probably yeah, there's a definite roughness in here when you move this. I can feel it, and so I just got to find where it's actually jumping. That will definitely be the cause why that's happening. So it's running. Ah, and you can just feel it. It's almost like something is getting in the way. Just go clean that. Just make sure there's nothing. Yes, just at that point there's like a bit of a roughness. So I'm not Yeah, I'll need to switch off and have a deeper look and come back and see why that's happening. Yeah, that's really, I can feel there's something not working very well. So I just need to find out why that's happening. I can feel it's just in that, and that will throw out your embroidery design, and it will definitely jump on your design. You don't want that. Just clean this side as well. You don't want to put too much strain on this belt. That's not good because you can actually stretch or damage the belt. So I'm just going to help it along a bit. Yeah, it's just like a jump there. I'm not sure why. It's catching or something. So I'm just going to work that out. So yeah, I'm going to stop the speed now, and I'll continue once I figure out why that's doing, because I really got to get into it. And anyway, thanks for watching. I'll definitely continue this when I know why it's doing that. Cool. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Just have a closer look and just see why that's happening. You know, that's really strange. I shouldn't do that, but I can actually hear it. It's going to help it along a bit and then pulling it on a belt. Cool. Anyway, I'm gonna jump off, and then I'll just gotta figure out why it's doing that, and I'll jump back on and continue this feed. Thanks for watching. Cheers.